Nothing's gonna happen. You still touch the ropes, but you have to physically move the rope, otherwise you won't get anywhere.
Also, I need to move the white one.
Yes, yeah.
Keep, basically, the action is like this.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, up towards you, always up towards you.
Up
this way.
This way.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
and
it.
I always have to keep a distance. Anything else I need to know?
No, it's okay.
Sorry, I'm just asking.
No, it's alright. That's it. That's all. Literally, the only one you're controlling today is the white one.
Okay, and you will help me. Like...
I'm helping you with this one. I'm not helping you. I'm literally just another safety device.
Okay.
If you go too fast, I can slow down, but I can't make you faster if you go too slow.
Okay.
So you can go to your own speed, please. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right. Can you see the sailboard behind you?
Yeah.
If you make a step backwards, pop your feet either side of it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. And then do I just fall?
No, pop your feet either side of the device first of the bar. That's it.
Like this?
Yeah. If you do something with your left one, put it on the side of the bar. That's it. Just over there. Yeah. And now lean backwards. If you lean backwards first, just keep leaning backwards. Keep your legs straight. That's it. That's it. So keep your legs straight. And now slowly start lowering yourself.
Okay.
That's it. Just relax. You're doing great.
Okay.
Nice one. So lift you up towards you.
Like
that's
this?
it. Yeah. That's it. There you go. Keep your legs straight. Nice one. There you go. Just relax. Relax. Take it easy. That's it. Keep your legs straight. Your legs straight, Alex.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, you're gonna start there.
Yeah.
Alex, can you see the big grey ledge underneath the platform? It's like a sunshade.
Yeah.
You're gonna step on it with 1 foot at a time, okay?
What do you mean?
Can you see the grey ledge underneath the platform?
Grey.
Yes. You're gonna step on it. There's only one underneath the platform.
Okay, yeah.
It's a big one. You're gonna step on it, okay?
Okay.
You do it with 1 foot at a time, okay? Just stepping like stepping on the steps, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh,
yeah, the one underneath.
Yeah.
That's it.
Sorry.
That's right, don't worry. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna slowly walk down the wall.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep lowering yourself at the same time.
Yeah. So put your leg or
That's it.
You're gonna sit down. Yeah. So that hand's gonna touch the platform. You're gonna take that foot off.
Nice one. Well done, Alex. That's it.
That's it. And then the other foot as well. And back on the rope.
Okay, can you make another step?
Yep.
Okay, gonna start again. Bend your knees.
Yep.
Come closer towards the platform.
Yeah.
Take one hand off the rope.
Yeah.
With the same arm, reach towards the platform and drop the same foot, okay?
Drop the same foot.
Yes. That's it, well done. If you do the same with the other one.
So I need...
Yeah, just drop the foot. That's it. Nice one. You're gonna spin on a little bit, okay? Now hands back on the rope. That's it. And now just relax. Have a look around and upset yourself, okay? You're fully suspended now, okay?
Okay.
If you keep your hand underneath the device of this rope over here.
Is this one?
Yes, can you see the golden device underneath? Can you see the golden device?
This one.
Slide it up towards you.
Yeah.
Slide it up towards you.
This one?
Yes, slide it up.
Up.
That's it, yeah, and keep your hand underneath it.
Underneath?
Yes, underneath this one.
This one, so
yes.
he always here?
Yes, so he's gonna be...
Okay.
Okay, with your left one, let it go completely, and then lower yourself on with your right one.
White one?
Just keep, yes.
Like this?
Yeah, so keep your hands underneath all the devices, okay?
Oh, all the devices, yes.
Yes.
So like this, even under here?
Yeah, so if you do same with your left one, keep your left hand underneath the golden device.
This one? Okay.
So the golden device is the one on the black rope?
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Yeah, so keep it both
Under.
hands underneath it, okay?
Okay, sure.
Yeah?
Okay.
That's it, well done.
Oh God. Hey.
So do you want to say remember to keep those hands nice and low down?
Yeah, sorry. Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Wow.
God. I can't believe I'm doing this.
You're doing really well.
Thank you. I need you. Thanks for doing this with me. Really, thank you. Thank you. I know. John. I know. I feel surreal. I can't believe I'm doing this. I really can't. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh my God.
Are you saying that in case we die?
I love you. I love you.
You see the shard over there?
Yeah. I'm more focused on this side of the view.
Oh, sure.
I am very. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. I still can't believe. I really love you, you know that.
Say it to my face.
It's a bit harder. I would say when we go down.
Oh wow, it's one of London's great sights, the Westfield Shopping Centre.
I know. It's great, isn't it? I can
Beautiful
see
view of the
M&S, the river. God, that is literally on my CV. ArcelorMittal.
Yeah, it sort of shows you can have grit and daring in a boardroom situation.
Yeah.
Would you actually put this on the CV?
No. Maybe interesting facts. But I think I got enough interesting facts.
I think so. You want to increase the speed, like briefly, like woo?
No. Oh, I did a little bit actually.
It actually just sort of happens quite naturally, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Just
it does.
floating
In a
around.
way, you just control when you want to stop. I love that you are on my level as well.
Pardon?
I love that you're next to me, so like it makes the experience a lot different
Yeah.
because you're talking to someone. When you are, you know.
You can't really know someone until you've floated in mid-air with them on top of a very tall
Yeah,
Anish Kapoor monstrosity.
I know.
You look over so we can, our cameras will see each other.
I kept trying. Hi. Oh, great view.
Yeah. My face or of London?
Both. Oh yeah. I can see you too.
It's quite nice.
John,
Yeah.
smile. Camera.
I am smiling. There's some other people up there waiting for us to get down.
I don't know.
Nice.
Is that No, I don't think
That
so.
would be some people, probably.
Is that easy? Don't know what the fuck. Oh god.
Oh, it's such a beautiful day.
It is. Oh god.
Oh, hello.
Hello, I know. So I think go very fast.
We're getting quite close to the bottom now. Look how far we've come, look up.
Oh,
Don't worry.
yeah.
Look up. See how far? Look directly up.
Yeah. That's as far as I can do, John.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your level.
realized that. I'm trying to control. Ah. Oh my god. Ah. Yeah, just about. I love how easy you are.
Alright, let's do that, guys. So button lock off. Be careful coming down to the ground as well. Check your feet. Brilliant stuff. Enjoy that?
Yeah.